Hello investors, this is Saili Velankar, Partner Wellness Services. Hope you all are doing good. Staying at home, keeping yourself safe. The way you are taking care of your health, we are here to take care of your wealth. COVID-19 affected market drastically. Market came down by 40% and it created a lot of panic. When all this will get over, what will happen to my investment? Whether market is going to go down further, etc. etc. So today we have prepared this small presentation where we are trying to address some investment concerns and see whether this market downfall is a threat or opportunity. Let's see Sensex journey. In India, it started in 1979 with 100 index and in January 2020, it reached to 42,000. If you see this market journey, it's a complete roller coaster ride. A lot of ups and downs. But if you take any short period on this curve, you will find kabhi khushi kabhi gum, because a lot of ups and downs. But if you take long term on this curve, that is minimum 5 years, you will find khushiya hi khushiya, because in long term it always pays you back. So short term can be pain, but long term is always gain. Due to COVID-19, market came down from 42,000 to almost 25,000. A big downfall of 40%. But is it for the first time? If you see this chart, it clearly says that after downfall, market has bounced back and given enormous returns. What a positive learning from this history. So far we have seen Sensex curve has gone upwards in spite of so many ups and downs. Also we have seen market behavior after such downfalls. Let's see what is investor psychology in this downfall in the next example. This is an example of 3 investors who did SIP investment of rupees 10,000 per month, started from March 2000 in HDFC Equity Fund. There is Mr. Normal, who believes in consistency in investment, made total investment of 24 lakhs 10,000, the current value of which is 1 crore 53 lakhs. There is Mr. Afraid, who was worried about downfalls and skipped paying for 43 months of downfall, made total investment of 19 lakhs 80,000 and the current value of which is just 1 crore. So if you see in this example, by not paying 4 lakhs, he is poorer by 53 lakhs as compared to Mr. Normal. And there is another guy called Mr. Brave, who knows how to take advantage of downfalls, made extra payment of 4 lakhs, top of 4 lakhs. That is, in every downfall, he made extra 1 lakh investment and he is richer. He earned more 45 lakhs than Mr. Normal. So this is the magic of investors' psychology in such downfall markets. Now let's see how we want our investors to look at this market downfall. Let's take up some investment concerns which we were asked from Let's take up this investment concerns. Should we exit from mutual fund now to avoid further losses? The answer to this question is big no. Mutual fund investment is always for long term, and we have done it through perfect asset allocation. As we have learned from history, after every downfall, market bounce back and gives us enormous return. So same mutual fund portfolio will give us superb returns. Show patience. Should I shift from equity mutual fund to debt mutual fund? Friends, here one has to understand we cannot time the market. Mutual fund के investor तो लंबे रेस के खिलाड़ी है. So do not get panic with this situation. Try think for long term. Trust your plan and show patience, as only equity would give you the best returns. Should we stop SIP now? Recently, we have seen example of SIP and we have seen how Mr. Brave earned from downfall. So, no, you should not stop SIP as you are getting more number of units for same amount. Rather, we would want you to become Mr. Brave. Is it right time for additional investment? If yes, whether to invest in lump sum or SIP? Friends, we would want you to be Mr. Brave and rather make additional short blast SIPs. Whatever surplus amount you would want to invest, split it in 3 to 4 installments and invest in coming 2-3 weeks and earn enormous returns in the long run. Catching bus at the starting point and investing when market is at bottom is dream, and now is the time to fulfill this dream. So go for additional investment now. Whether to invest in stocks or in mutual funds, most important question. Post corona, predicting market would be very difficult. Without systematic study, it's almost impossible. A lot of unusual trends would be seen, and it is hence advisable to go for mutual fund schemes as we get expertise knowledge of mutual fund manager as well diversified portfolio. So our advice to all our investor is be brave and invest in this downfall. Government already has introduced few monetary benefits, and soon fiscal benefits also would be announced, such as reduction in taxes, spending more on healthcare and other infrastructure, increase in government spending on different industries and segments. These monetary and fiscal boosters would help recover from post-corona impacts and enable us take advantage of opportunities created in international markets. As per the projection made by International Monetary Fund, the GDP growth of India would be highest among G20 countries for year 2020. We all agree that challenges come with new opportunities. It's once in lifetime opportunity to invest. So do not hold back or keep waiting for right time, because there is no other right time than this. Invest and earn tremendous returns in coming years and convert the threat of this downfall into an opportunity to become wealthy. Thank you.